Hello and welcome back to our channel Maha Uma's World. Thank you everyone for your continued support. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. Today I am making Karasev. It's very easy and quick recipe. For that, take a mixing bowl, add 1 and 1/4 cup besan flour. In Tamil it's called kadalamavu. Half cup rice flour, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, some crushed garlic, required amount of salt, 1 teaspoon ghee or butter. Mix well. Adjust the spice level as per your taste. After mixing well, add water little by little. Mix well and make a dough. Now the dough is ready. It has to be little sticky like this. Don't make tight dough, then pressing will be very difficult. Meanwhile, I heated the oil in a pan for deep fry on low flame. I am using this kind of disc for murukku press. Fill the murukku press with the dough and we will press in hot oil. Just press like a circles. Only one layer. Don't overcrowd. Fry on low flame until it gets golden brown. Turn to other side and cook both sides as they turn golden brown. Now you can see it turns golden brown both sides. So this is the correct stage to take it out. In same way I am going to make some more. After cools down, break into small pieces as you needed. Then store it airtight container. As you can see, the crispy and easy Karasev is ready. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.